Hello children, very good morning to you. Welcome to the class after the holidays. Okay, yes. Shall we continue about that what lesson we started about that up the mountain written by the Johanna Spyri. Okay, up to page number 30, up of that two line we have completed in our previous class. Let us continue now. What we discussed in that previous class means about that Heidi and her aunt date. Okay, they want to move that top of the Alps mountain to reach that grandfather and all. So she is taking complete care of the Heidi. Who is taking complete care of the Heidi means her aunt date taking complete care of the Heidi. So that is not only care, too much care she is taking on her, taking on Heidi means in summer season also she want to give that much clothes to the Heidi to wear. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆ ಹೈದಿಗೆ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದಾಗಿರಲಿ, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ she won't allow to move Heidi outdoors also. These all type of too caring she is taking on the Heidi. Yes, what happened next one? As I told earlier, they are moving to the top of the mountain. Okay, yes, let us continue. um, what she asked means, are you tired, Heidi? Asked her companion. Companion means here nothing, that a strong woman, date, her aunt. Okay. No, I am hot, answered the child. What she has given us answer means, I'm not tired, I'm getting too hot, like that, because of the clothes what she wear, that frock, two or more frocks and shawl, that shoes, socks, these all things getting too hot to the Heidi. Yes, we shall soon get the top now. You must walk bravely on a little longer and take good long steps, said it in an encouraging voice. Yes, what happened later? She is getting slow. She is walking very slowly. So that aunt want to encourage the child, encourage the Heidi. How she encouraged means, we can reach that top of the mountain very soon. Okay, that is not far from this place what we are walking now. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವೇನು ಇವಾಗ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವೋ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಏನು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಬೇಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಕ್ ಬ್ರೇವ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಫೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಫುಟ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಆಗಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ encouraging voice. Understood? Yes. Next. As Did walked ahead, the child spotted a young goat herd climbing up a footpath with his goats. She went after him, panting and struggling to catch up. Yes, what happened later? She told like that, we shall soon reach that top of the mountain. To reach that top of the mountain, you must walk bravely, she told to the Heidi. Okay. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಲೇಟರ್, ಶಿ ಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹೈದಿ ವೋಂಟ್ ವಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೈದಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಶಿ ಸಾ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, what she saw means, she saw one goat herd. Goat herd means a goat boy, who is what having that flock of goats. That boy is called as goat herd. So Heidi found him. Okay, so she tried to catch him and that flock of goats too soon. Okay, ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಗೋಟ್ ಹರ್ಡನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಲೋಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ದ ಹೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹರ್. She looked at the goat herd clad in nothing but a pair of shorts and jumping swiftly along on his bare feet. All at once she sat down on the ground and pulled off her shoes and stockings. Yes, what happened later, that goat herd and flock of goats were moving very fastly. She can't catch that goat boy and the flock of goats because of the heat. Okay. Previously she is suffering from too hot of that cloths and all things, red shawl, these all things making her as a too hot. Because of this too hot and also the weight of that cloth, she can't catch that goat herd and the flock of goats. So she decided to remove that all things. Okay, she is sitting down on that ground. ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶೂಸು ಸ್ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಹೈದಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ದಟ್ ಗೋಟ್ ಹರ್ಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಅವಳ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲದು ಇದ್ರೆ ನನಗೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಥರನೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ರನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅನ್ನೆಸರಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್. And also what she saw that Peter, she wear only that pair of shorts. Okay, and jumping swiftly, easily he is jumping, running, and also only he wore a pair of shorts, and also no shoes, no stockings, nothing he wore. Okay, ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಶೂಸು ಸ್ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಮಚ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಸಾ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಬೇರ್ ಫೂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇರ್ ಫೂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಶೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ಶಿ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಶಿ ವೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವಳು ಏನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ಅವಳೇನೇನು ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ಲಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಶಿ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ then she unwound the red shawl before unbuttoning her frock. It was off in a second, but there was another one underneath. Quick as lightning, the second frock followed the first. Yes, so first she is sitting on that ground and started to remove that shoes and stockings. Okay, later first she unwound, first she removed that red shawl. That is getting very easy to remove that. After that all cloths she wear that shawl, red shawl ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಅವಳು ರೆಡ್ ಶಾಲ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ಲು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ she get that and she removed that red shawl firstly. Sorry. Later she want to remove that frock. After the shawl she want to remove that frock. First one frock she removed, again she saw that another one frock is underneath of that frock. Within a second that another frock also she removed. ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ನ ತೆಗ್ದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ಲು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫ್ರಾಕನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ವಿತಿನ್ ಎ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ that also she removed. Okay, next. Now the child stood only in her light short sleeved undergarment. She put her clothes together in a little heap, then went climbing up after the goat herd and the goats. Able now to move at her ease, she leaped and skipped almost as nimbly as the goats. What happened later? She removed that all things what she wear, what her aunt has given to her. Okay, finally what she wear, what is left, which garment left on her body means only that little short sleeved undergarment. Okay, underneath of that frock she wore that short sleeved undergarment, that only left for her, and she started to follow that goat herd and the flock of goats. Now she is feeling too free. Okay, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಫ್ರಾಕ್, ಡಬಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಫ್ರಾಕ್, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೂಸು ಸ್ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ಶಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವಳಿಗೇನಾಯಿತು, ಫ್ರೀ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಶಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಚ್ ದಟ್ ಪೀಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಫ್ಲೋಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್. ಅವರನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಹೌ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ದಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ by leaped and also skipped almost nimbly as the goats. How that goats are jumping and moving too fastly, no, like that she also started to ಮೂವ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಗೋಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು, ಅದ್ರ ಥರನೇ ಇವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಹೌ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ, like that by jumping, by running, she can reach that. She want to reach the Peter and flock of the goats. Yes. Next, after some time, Date caught sight of the little girl and striked out. After what happened, this all what she did, what Heidi did, no, her aunt moved far from the Heidi. Finally, she turned back and see that Heidi, but she is not in the way of that top of the mountain. Okay, she left from that place. She got another way and she tried to reach that ಗೋಟ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಹೈದಿ ಆ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ವೇ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಆ ವೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವೇರ್ ಶಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ದಟ್ ಗೋಟ್ ಹರ್ಡ್. ಫೈನಲಿ ಶಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಶೌಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ Heidi. Who shouted to the Heidi? Shouted on the Heidi, her aunt. Okay, yes. Next, Heidi, what have you been doing? Where are your 2 frocks and the red shawl? And the new shoes I bought and the new stockings I knitted for you. Everything gone. She is getting too angry now. Okay, who is getting too angry here? Her aunt Date getting too angry when she is seeing that girl Heidi. She is only with that short sleeved undergarment. Where that 2 frocks, red shawl, shoes, stockings, these all things also given by that aunt only, no. So she started to shout, wear that all other garments. Now you are wearing only that short sleeved undergarment. Where you throw that? Like that she started to shout. Yes. Next, not I think left Heidi. Where are all your clothes? She is asking like that. Not asking, she is shouting. Okay, where your all clothes went, where you are moving, where is your target, where you want to go first. Should know that that target is to reach the top of the mountain. But Heidi forget everything when she saw that goat herd and the flock of goats. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮರ್ತು ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಗೋಟ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಫ್ಲೋಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಹಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಶೌಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ Heidi and also the clothes, her clothes, new shoes, new frocks, these all things. Okay, yes. The child quietly pointed to a spot on the mountain side and answered. Down there, Date could just make out something lying on the ground with a spot of red on the top. What that child replied to the aunt means she is shouting, no. So child also started to reply her. Means she is showing one place that all garment is there, like that she started to show, and her aunt seeing that she find on that red shawl on that heap, top of the heap ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಶಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ತಂದು ನಾಟ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ತೊಗೊಬಂದು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಹೀಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಹೀಪ್ ರೆಡ್ ಶಾಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ aunt. Yes. Next, you good for nothing little thing, exclaimed it angrily. Who is going all that way down to fetch them? It's a good half-hour's walk. Peter, you go off and fetch them for me as quickly as you can. This is said by the Date, said by that her aunt, Heidi's aunt. What she said means his aunt said to the Heidi, you are good for nothing little thing, like that. What is this meaning? Sometimes your parents also scolding like that, is it right? You are good for nothing to that little thing, like that they are scolding to you ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಏನಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀನು, ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬೈತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಏನಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀನು, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಥಿಂಗು ಕೂಡ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು ಹರ ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ಸೋ shouting angrily. Okay, so again she asked the Heidi, what do you want to fetch in that down places, like that. Finally she got an idea. She is following that goat herd and also the flock of goats. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈದಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಆ ಗೋಟ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೋಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಗೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ she said to the Peter also, Peter, you go off and fetch them for me as quickly as you can. What she told to the Peter means, wash she the clothes that all removed and make that heap. That aunt ordered to the Peter to bring that all clothes to the aunt. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ತಗೊಂಬ ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು? ಪೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. Yes, okay. Let us stop here. Let us continue in my next class. Up to this, you have to read the lesson twice. Okay? Okay, thank you.